Hey guys, Ed here from the Great Indoors. It might be a cold night outside, but the weather is perfect inside the roll house for bowling. All right, let's see how Michelle does tonight. We're subbing in this mixed couples league on Mondays, so we're gonna have some fun. Get in there and check it out. Like, comment, and subscribe to the Great Indoors as we are about to go bowling. Roll house. This is over here on Route 306 and Route 2. Roll house, welcome to our house. All right. Yeah, they got it decorated really cool for the holidays, especially the bomb bar over here. Wow. They must have like a special event going on in there. Isn't that nice? Oh, they got a buffet going on. You want to go see what the buffet looks like? Sure. Yeah, this is a special event. They have, looks like a Mexican themed buffet here. Ground meat, tacos, refried beans, some Spanish rice. Oh yeah, chicken wings too. It smells delicious, guys. So I didn't know this was here, but how could I not record a buffet, right? Look at that, all the fixings, jalapenos, cheese, all here at the Bomb Bar. Pretty cool. Merry Christmas, guys, and Happy Hanukkah. So Michelle's got her Snoopy shirt, and this is Sue, and that's John, their brother, sister, and Eric, her husband, is got a back problem, and David, our other bowler, has a cold. So the A-team subs are in, Ed and Michelle. Are you ready to bowl tonight?
Ready to rock and roll, baby.
You should see they got a private party in the Bomb Bar with a buffet for Mexican food.
Cool.
Who'd have thought, you know?
And then we get
but it's not. We are not allowed to go in there. Okay.
We're allowed a free drink tonight, though, courtesy of the Royal House of Menor.
Really?
Yeah. Like it.
Well, whatever works. You know, make sure you get your unsweetened iced tea. You know, I'm sure they
don't make.
They don't make that here. How can they not make unsweetened iced tea? It's like
they don't know how either.
This is Cheryl, Michelle's good friend. They go to Hartville, and her brother Craig.
Oh, that's.
Are you having it ready for Christmas, Cheryl?
No, I am not.
Did you get all your shopping done yet?
I do not.
Uh-oh. Let's see what she can do in her practice shot over here. Her brother is a Steeler fan, so he's got problems. Oh, wait. All right. This is Ken Whitcomb. He used to be our league secretary for the Friday Night Sportsman. How you doing, Ken?
Good. How are you? Merry Christmas, everybody.
Miss seeing you on bowling on Friday nights.
Oh, yeah.
How you doing here tonight?
Just started.
I didn't even know Ron had a 2.0-something average here. You're on the same team with him. So
We're doing all right.
And did you have any perfect games this year?
No, close a couple times, but no.
Yeah. Well, maybe, you know, it'll happen in New Year,
Maybe
right?
tonight.
Yeah. All right. Have a good, happy holidays.
You too.
All right. Okay, Ken is up now. He's got a 156 in the 7th frame with a spare working. Let's see if he can knock down a strike here. Oh man, he got ripped off. That should have been a strike. This is Brad, and he runs this league. How you doing, Brad?
Not bad, besides falling on my tailbone.
How long? Yeah, there's been some moisture down here. I mentioned it to the workers here. How long have you been running this league?
Me personally?
Yeah.
I don't know, 5-6 years.
Wow, I like how you do a good job. You bring a good attitude to the league.
I'm glad you like it.
Yeah.
I've been in it for over 20 or 25.
Yeah. Now, have you always been bowling on Monday nights, or was it a different night?
Always Monday nights.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm glad we joined. As we're subs, but the few times that we bowl, we always have a good time. So
Yeah.
keep up the good work and happy holidays.
Yeah, thank you. We like to make it like a family, non-competitive fun league.
There you go. All right, cool. Mary, what are you drinking there? Oh yeah, look at that. Is that some wine? I thought you got your Diet Coke here, Michelle.
I got ginger ale.
Oh, ginger ale. All right.
Cheers to ginger ale.
Ginger ale is awesome. I've been drinking that a lot. Everyone's telling me to cut back on the caffeine, so ginger ale is a nice option.
The only caffeine I have is
Cheryl.
cheers.
Happy holidays. Yeah!
Michelle's first shot. Oh, look at that. A strike for Michelle. Way to start, Michelle.
That's all time.
Awesome. Good job, Michelle. All right. This is Nick Sabo. He's a sub for the entire league. If there's someone missing, he'll fill in for you. In fact, he's actually filled in for us a couple of times when we had a blind. And here's Michelle again. Can she get a double? That would be nice to start. Hey, all right. That's a makeable spare. Good job, Michelle. Yay!
Oh, and you keep filming me. I don't like.
You'd be a movie star.
Yeah. I got a split over there, split. And Nick over here is going to try to break the hex and not get a split. There you go. You got the strike for the camera. Good job. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Oh. Let's see if she can make this spare over there. A lot of splits going on right now. Gonna hit it? Oh, almost. I thought she had it. Carla Van Pelt, friend of the channel, about to throw a strike. Yes, on camera. Perfect, nice. See that? And Nick.
Yes, I'm making sure his balls are clean. And then...
There goes Michelle's first shot. Janine. Strike for Michelle. All right, keep it going. And now Nick is going to try to respond. Right now we have 7:08 and the other team has 6:56. Tight game. It could go either way right now. And there you go. All right. Michelle's next shot. It's looking good. Looking good. Hit it. Oh, yeah. All right. Good job. Look at that. Possible 178. Can Nick make his spare here? He needs to get this spare. Well, he doesn't have to make the spare. It would be good for him to get the spare. Oh, man. That head pin is a bitch. Shake it off. Last shot for Michelle. Can she strike out in the 10th frame? Look, oh, nice game, 177. Beautiful. All right. Okay, I ended up with a 188. Michelle had this. She was saying that 177 is her all-time high this year. So that she timed it perfectly to do that. Good job, Michelle. Your leadership is what inspired me to bowl better. You know,
women.
This is knockdown, so this was huge.
Oh, it was there, yes.
Yeah.
You are right, yes.
All right. Way to go, John.
I knocked him
He's
off.
our inspirational leader. He's the team captain. All right. I'm watching the football game, and they have Jason Kelsey as an announcer. And I'm thinking, oh my God, Jason Kelsey's right here.
Everything everybody wanted.
So this is the young man that runs the one-shot jackpot. And I swear, I thought it was Jason Kelsey. Put it in the comments, let me know. Jason Kelsey?
How you doing?
I thought how could you be in two places at the same time, dude? That's crazy. Okay, here's Jason Kelsey, Mark Sabanya. And he was actually saying that someone actually walked up to him today and asked him for an autograph. So I thought that was pretty funny. Off camera, he mentioned that to me. I would play that up as much as I could. If someone thought that I was a celebrity or something like that, I'd go, heck yeah, I'll take it. Okay. Michelle in the 10th frame. Another strike. She already got one strike going. It's a close game. It could go either way right now. Got 7:49. They get 7:37. John has been the key guy on our team, getting a lot of strikes this game. Mr. Zelda got a strike, our spare. Yeah. And Michelle one more time. Wow, a three-bagger for Michelle.
Wild turkey time. Gobble, gobble.
Nice.
Way to go, Michelle.
Okay, Michelle ended up going with a 173. Oh, wait, there. Okay, there we go. Michelle had a 556 series, and I end up with a 593. We end up winning the total and all 3 games. So that was pretty cool. That was fun, wasn't it?
By 10 pins.
Yeah.
I didn't know you followed.
And I think I even won the card game on the last game at Full House.
I think John had 4 kings.
Oh, wow. So he had the best poker hand with the 4 of a kind. And Michelle, what did you have?
2 pair.
So your 2 pair is the worst hand. Because I had a full house, she had 3 of a kind. So you end up winning the loser. So you get your $1 back. And John, you won the high hand with the $3. There you go. Way to go, guys. That was a big win for us, wasn't it? Did we win? Did we move up or just?
We might have gotten into second.
Second place. Well, we got the whole. Is that the first half then?
Yes.
And that's over with?
Yeah, I think
Okay.
it's over. Well, I think
Okay, cool.
since this was knocked down.
Yeah. Okay, this is the Roll House menu. They got fresh cut fries. They're really good. But the one thing that I love to get here is their chicken tenders. 3 for $9 or 6 for $13, and it includes the fresh cut fries along with it. And I usually like to go with the honey mustard. It is really a good deal, and the size of the chicken tenders, they're nice big pieces, right? But here's the thing. Michelle went to Meijer yesterday and bought sushi, and I have to eat it by today or else it's going to go bad. So after this video, we're going to go back home and I'm going to show you some of the sushi that I had from Meijer. Interesting. I never heard about sushi from Meijer. Have you guys? Today we're going to find out. All right. Okay, bowling went really good, and now we're going to see how our sushi goes afterwards. Let me get a fork so I could separate them. They're pretty all smashed up together. I don't know if you guys are fans of sushi here, but this looks like it's I got a crab meat in there with some rice around there and that yum yum sauce and some vegetables in the middle. There's like a little wrap in there, like a seafood wrap. Like, you got to look at it to make sure that everything looks good and fresh. It's nice and chill. And I'm going to add a little bit of yum yum sauce on there like that. Wow. That's pretty good. Let's try this one over here. This almost looks like bacon bits on there or something like that, you know? Let me see. Yeah, that's bacon on there, I believe. Never seen that before. Pretty good. Well, thank you guys for joining us today at the bowling alley and trying some sushi from Meijer, of all places. And thank you, Michelle, for getting the sushi. It's pretty good. She's in the back room. They say that each serving is 150 calories. 4-piece. There you go. They're cooked, family platter. How much was this, Michelle? $14.99 for this whole tray. That's a whole meal right there. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Michelle's getting undressed from bowling and stuff like that, so she won't be closing out the video, but we love you all. Stay safe, and I'll look to see you guys all in the next video. Have a good one. Happy holidays.